Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. Today I've got another welder deal for you guys. And yes, it is another YesWelder, but they keep putting out deals that are really hard to pass up. And this particular machine, you get a lot of value for the money. If you're interested in it, there will be a link in the description below for you to check this out for yourself and take advantage of this deal while it's available. Here's the machine we're going to talk about today. It is the YesWelder 135 amp flux core wire fed welder. Regularly it is $189.99. However, right now there is a coupon for $40 off when you check out, bringing this machine down to $149.99. And one of the first things you're going to notice about this machine is that it has standard connectors on the front of it. It also comes with an electrode holder. The standard connectors are going to allow you to change polarity if necessary, as well as stick weld. If you purchase a lift TIG set of leads, you'll be able to do that as well with this machine. So that is where the value comes in here. At 150 bucks, getting a flux core machine that can also stick weld and has lift TIG capabilities is a really great value. On the flux core side, it'll run 0.030 wire and 0.035 wire, which is pretty standard, and it weighs about 13.5 pounds, making it lightweight and portable. Another thing to notice about this machine is the duty cycle. At 135 amps, which is maximum power, you get a 60% duty cycle, and what that means is that out of 10 minutes you can weld for 6 of those minutes before you have to give the machine a break. At 104 amps, you get a 100% duty cycle, meaning out of 10 minutes you can weld the full 10. Now, you don't want to necessarily run the machine for well over that. You do need to give it a rest here and there, but it does have a 100% duty cycle at 104 amps. It does take 2-pound spools like most of the machines in this category do. The maximum rated thickness is 1/8 inch material. I'm willing to bet you could stretch that a little bit if you were careful and did everything else right. However, your mileage may vary. This machine does use metal gas nozzles, and that's personal preference. The metal nozzles will keep your contact tip from grounding out on your workpiece. However, you will not be able to fit it in super tight places like you can with these smaller flux only nozzles. Another nice part about metal nozzles is that almost any hardware store is going to have them, and you can walk in and get one if you need one in a pinch. Another great feature of this welder is the length of the leads that come with it. So your MIG gun has an 8-foot lead. The electrode holder and the ground clamp both have 10-foot leads. That's going to allow you to put this machine down on the floor in a safe place and still have plenty of lead available to move around your workpiece. If you want to compare this machine to the titanium Flux 125, the titanium Flux 125 is $214.99 regular price. It does go on sale from time to time for a little bit below $200 depending on what sale or coupon is available. However, you don't get the option of stick welding. You don't have the option of doing lift TIG. It is a flux only machine, and that is going to limit you to that process. The YesWelder is nice because it gives you more processes available in one machine, allowing you to select the process you want to use for your project without having to buy another machine. So I have the titanium 125, and it's a great machine. I've done a lot of projects with it. However, had I known what I know now when I bought that, I would have opted for a machine like the YesWelder that can stick weld at a minimum. And then of course, if you can stick weld, you can lift TIG if you buy those leads. That allows you to select the best process for the project you're doing. It's never a bad thing to have more processes available, especially if you don't have to buy another machine to use them. Lift TIG is not my preferred way to TIG weld. However, it will get the job done. So if that's something that interests you, this is a great machine to do that with. This machine has 302 ratings at 4.5 stars, so you can be confident in its performance and quality. If you're still on the fence, you can opt for the 3 or 4 year protection plan from Amazon, and that will cover you beyond the 30 days that Amazon already gives you. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think this machine offers a lot of value for the money, especially at the $149.99. I would probably recommend this machine even at the $189.99 over the titanium Flux 125. Like I said, that titanium Flux 125 has been a good machine. However, This gives you more options out of the box and has some features that the titanium 125 doesn't have. Like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.